Hello friends, hope you're all doing good. So today we will solve exercise 3.3 linear equations, question number 1, second part. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. So the equations are s minus t equal to 3 and s upon 3 plus t upon 2 equal to 6. So friends, what is the first step? Let's first write the two equations and label them. So here are the two equations. Let's label them as 1 and 2. So friends, what is the substitution method? In the substitution method, what we do is we express one variable in terms of the other and we will use that value in the other equation. So friends, it's important to choose the correct equation. Now if you see these two equations, one is s minus t equal to 3. The other one is s upon 3 plus t upon 2 equal to 6. So which equation is easier? Obviously, you will see that here there are very simple coefficients. 1 is there, minus 1 is there. It's very easy to handle this equation. Whereas here you have s upon 3, t upon 2. So when I use this equation, I will get the correct answer, but it will be tougher for me. So which one should I choose? Definitely, I will choose equation 1 because it is easier. So what we do is, we will write from equation 1. Now what are we going to do, friends? We can either express s in terms of t. That is, you keep s on one side and bring t to the other side. Or what you can do is, you can keep t on one side and you can bring s to the other side. Now what will happen? Again here also you have a lot of freedom to choose. Please choose the easier one. So if I express s in terms of t, I will get s is equal to 3. I simply have to bring the t to the other side. Did you notice that, friends? It is so easy, right? Now on the other hand, you may ask me, can't I bring t on one side and bring s to the other side? Yes, you can do that. You will get the correct answer. What will happen in that case is, you keep t on one side, right? And you bring s on the other side, right? And then what you can do is, you can multiply throughout by minus sign. You will get t equal to minus 3 plus s. This is perfectly fine, friends. You can use this substitution also. But when you can get a substitution so easy here, why do you have to go for a tougher option, right? So always choose the easier option. So here we have s is equal to 3 plus t. Let us label it as equation number 3. Now what is the next step, friends? We have to substitute this in equation number 2. Now there is no point substituting it back in equation number 1, right? So we will write substitute s is equal to 3 plus t in equation number 2. Okay, so when we substitute that, we will get, wherever there is s, what should you do? You should put 3 plus t. So I'll get 3 plus t upon 3 plus t upon 2 equal to 6. So let me copy this again on this side of the sheet. I will get this way. So friends, as you can see here, we can't do much unless we take the LCM, correct? What do we have to do? We have to take the LCM. That will be our next step. So I need to multiply this by 2 and this by 3. So however you have learnt LCM, please go ahead and do it. So I'll get 2 multiplied by 3 plus t plus 3t equal to 6. So I have taken LCM over here. So what is the next step now? You can open up these brackets. Parallelly, you can bring the 6 to the other side also. So you'll get 6 plus 2t plus 3t equal to 36. So friends, please go step by step. Don't skip any step. Now what do we do? Let's bring all the like terms together. So we'll get 2t plus 3t, which is 5t. What I can do is, I can bring the 6 over there. So I'll get 36 minus 6, which implies my 5t is going to be 30. So this means my t is going to be 6. Correct, friends? So I have got one value. I have got value of t. So my answer is far from over, friends, because I still have to find the value of s. So what do? I substitute this value of t in which equation, friends? in equation number 3, it's easiest, right? Because we've already expressed S in terms of T. So what I do is, I will write substitute T is equal to 6 in equation number, which one? Equation number 3. So let's do that. S is equal to 3 plus, wherever there is T, I'm going to put the value of T, which is 6. So I will get S as 9. So here we are, friends, we have got the value of S as 9 and T as 6. So what is remaining? Just write the answer very nicely in a box. So we'll write that solution of given pair of linear equations is, what is the solution? S is equal to 9 and T is equal to 6. That's all. So just put this in a box and your answer is complete. So friends, I hope you understood how to solve this particular question.